The plate looks empty. It looks right. It's a big portion. Something after that. That's all. Something like shake on the plate. I mean, like, say, look, still. Shake it. No matter what.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys know I'm super happy today. It's so cloudy outside today though, like scary cloudy. By the time you guys watching this, it will be Christmas Eve, so happy Christmas Eve. But today, by the title, you guys know what it is, and I've been talking about this day for a while. Today I'm doing my Christmas dinner. Doing my Christmas dinner today. Because we are leaving on vacation. I won't be home for Christmas Day. I'll be with my in-laws. And you guys know that I have to get my Jamaican Christmas going. So, I'm having my Christmas dinner today. I invited a few friends. So, I'm having my friend Tashika come over with her family. And my other Jamaican friend Daniel is coming. Daniel's husband is at work. So she'll be coming with her, Daniel coming with her mother-in-law. So we'll have a few friends over for dinner tonight. Dinner is tonight. Right now is in the morning, but I'm a girl like this. When I'm hosting, I like to cook and relax a bit before my guests get here. I don't want to be in the kitchen or running up and down when my guests get here like a headless chicken. So I like to cook in advance. So wake up this morning. Yes, I did say that headless chicken. So I woke up this morning, baby's gone to work, and I am home holding things down. I'll be cooking up a storm, so I kick things off early. I have curry goat, just went in my pressure cooker. I have a whole chicken baking in the oven. The oven off early because I have jerk chicken to put in. I have so many other little things to do. I'm peeling potato right now for potato salad. On my menu there is curry goat, there is big whole chicken, there is jerk chicken, there is ackee and saltfish, there is ham, there is rice and peas, potato salad, festival, and mac and cheese. So those are all the things on my menu today, and sorrel and Christmas cake. So dinner should be amazing with everybody here. So I'm just getting things going. Well on my way. Look who is here. Who is that? Say hello, Fizz. Sarah. Sarah, say hello, Fizz. She gone. Ty, say hello to Fizz.
Hello, Fizz.
Wagwan.
Wagwan, ni daya pa, ni casa.
So the kiddos are here, but they're not in my way. They're watching TV and staying occupied while I get things going. So that's what's going on right now. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Enjoy my Christmas dinner, and I hope you guys are getting the flavor through the screen. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys throughout dinner. You guys, it is now 5 minutes before 2 p.m. and I've been in my kitchen since 8 o'clock this morning. I finally finished, almost finished everything. Only thing left to do is my festival, which I won't do until later because it needs to be warm. Mac and cheese is in the oven, soon finish. And yeah, that's about it. I don't have anything much to clean up because I was cleaning as I go along. Only have the cutting board and one pot to wash, but I'm gonna break right now and have some lunch, get back some energy so that I can get some more things done. So I am well on my way. And this is a kids table.
It's different because
You guys, I've finished cooked. I've cooked all that I want to cook and decorate my table spaces. And you guys hear a little echo because I changed up the couch a bit to get more space in the living room for the table. So I'm just here waiting on everybody to arrive. Tashika and her family will reach any minute now, but Danny coming at 8 o'clock anyway. I think we're gonna wait on Dan. So yeah, everything is ready and all set to go. I'm wearing a dress. Let me show you guys my outfit. That's my outfit of today. Look. With my little horn. To everybody.
That's your nose, Papa.
This is your mommy's phone, don't worry.
Just mother and you can not the father.
Oh no. Why? What do you
So she can taste it. Take her glass. Yeah, just
Elle, la dernière fois, elle avait fait
I'll go get her.
Nice, Munich. Nice, Munich, Munich.
They have the rice?
D'accord.
Yes, the rice is right here.
En Europe, c'est tiré.
Sorry, I
Well, we could only talk to some.
multitasking. My brain is dead
You
already.
want sauce on your rice? Actually, you can open it and dry food.
Combien de temps tu passes?
Sarah said rice.
Une semaine, qu'une semaine.
Non, not yet. Ça, des accords avec
Les accords, les alliances, tout ça, ça marche.
Nice,
Ça faisait Nice, New York, New York, Atlanta, Atlanta.
Non, on avait fait la dernière fois, on a fait Nice. Nice, New York, New York.
You know your festival?
On peut éviter d'en faire 2 escales.
she loves festival.
Run that the beer friend, yeah?
Mais c'est vrai que l'été, on trouve des...
Don't ask no question. Don't ask no question.
You want to play?
This one is
Il faut passer
yes,
par-
thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
La Belgique, il y a beaucoup de vols.
And the place.
Belgique,
And I play everything.
Bruxelles, Montego, c'est
Alright.
Ils sont malades.
Yeah, girl.
C'est
Alright,
l'air qui est différent.
Over there.
Voilà, faut... Allez, on va s'en va.
okay. Alright.
The plate looks empty. It looks right. It there's a big portion. Something after that. That's all. Something shake on the plate. Come like say, look, still. Shake it. No
Je vous remercie pour votre présence.
Merci.
C'est le 20e et merci à l'invitation. Passez une bonne fête. Joyeux Noël.
You too, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Look at my mother. That the shirt doesn't want it.
Oh my God. Okay, let's see if I can eat now.
Oh my gosh.
Ça c'est pimenté.
Toi, t'es pas plus...
Non, ça c'est pas le jambon. Ça c'est pas pimenté.
D'accord.
Ça c'est pimenté. Frais. Oui.
You rub it down when you sat down when you're sick. You mix it in it.
And when they must stop you, they must
Suck you.
I love my people.
Somebody have the white room and there's some bush in the back. And when you open it,
This
my
one is
whole
This one is the first that I've heard in Jamaica. This one.
I still feel cute. What?
No, I'm blind, so I just wanted to
No, you're not
if it's
blind.
my eyes that is blowing or if it's the camera that is blowing. It's my eye that is blowing. Camera look fine.
What's the word?
Blowing?
Blurry.
Blowy.
Yes. What you're blowing? What you're blowing into? You guys.
I need an apology.
Pourquoi?
If you want me to end the vlog, apology
Apology for what?
for you just
You're good, but
playing me. Apology.
how much time you play me? You're
No,
good.
no. I want an apology.
You guys. I can hear the clock ticking. Can you? Everybody's gone. The evening was absolutely amazing. I am full to the point where I'm uneasy. What?
Apology.
Babe, stop annoying my soul.
Just one word.
Apology for what?
Apology for making fun of you.
Babe, in the vlog.
Tell me that and I promise you I will be 100% into it.
So if I don't tell her that you won't be 100%,
No.
why not?
Say it.
Why?
Put your pride on the side.
What, bro?
Take your pride on the side and say, I'm apologize. I'm sorry, baby, for making fun of you.
How much time you make fun of me? You have got to apologize
No,
for
but
every
that's
time
normal.
that you make-
That's normal. No, that's normal. That's not normal that you make it fun of me. The opposite is normal. So you have to say right now, I'm sorry.
So it's normal for you to make fun of me, but not for me to make
Yes.
fun of you. You're good. Babe, end the vlog. Look, the camera battery blinking. It's orange. Babes. Oh my god. Babe, can you just stop, please? Babe,
You
stop
started so well baking.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Honey, in the...
Okay, I'm gonna say it for me. Okay. I'm gonna make your voice. I'll say, babe, I'm sorry, very sorry, very much sorry for making fun of you. Thank you. At least I'm feeling in peace with myself. I can go and end the vlog. That was that hard.
For the end the vlog.
That hard,
Babe,
my
end the vlog,
God.
please. How was the evening?
That was super cool until now. That was super cool. I had a very good. I cook all day. It was super good. We have some guests.
Continue. The battery just finished on him because he was acting a fool, and he's gonna go right back to where he left off. We had some guests.
We have some guests. We had a wonderful time. Very full. So no, nothing could have been better. We did great. We did great.
And we pulled the curtains down on hosting Christmas 2021 dinner. My body's aching right now, but I would have it no other way. It was so good to be around Jamaican energy, Jamaican food, and I had a blast. Now I'm going to pack and get ready for the French Christmas. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed my little Christmas dinner. If you did, which I know you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and tell me how the food tastes. Cause I know son of the day, I'm a no son and I'm belly full. So tell me, what on the table was your favorite? Anyway, you guys, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Where your friend them for? Oh.